Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Venu Agarwal, a teacher by profession, wants to speak to all the teachers of society. We teachers paint the canvas of universe using the medium of human minds and spirits and blossom the souls of young children. This is not a cakewalk, very hard. In fact, we are the titans who feel real excitement while expanding our potentials to reach to the zenith of all the probabilities for the development of young generation. But sometimes we get so clueless, we do not understand what goes wrong, where it has gone wrong, that we could not communicate, we could not give our best to children. That gap gives us restless nights. Excel Institute is here to help you for all the solutions wherever you get in your life, to help you to do and to create good future of society. If you want to connect me, I'll be really happy to solve all the problems.